What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Grim Runner. It's your boy Clef Mercado, and we back at it again with another video today. Now today we actually going to be doing a quick and hopefully simple and easy modification. We finally going to be blacking out the side markers on the Dodge Challenger. So I want to go ahead and jump right into the content. If you're new to the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. We almost at 1,000. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you smash a thumbs up and make sure you drop a comment. The link to the actual product will be in the description of the video, and we about to make it do what it do, man. We about to make it do what it do, man. So let's get to it. All right, y'all. So we go pray. Hope and pray that this install is easy and it's quick. So look, we got the brand new heat gun. We got some alcohol. The car is already washed, so I'm not too worried about that, but I'm actually going to wipe down the actual side markers with a little bit of that alcohol. And then here we go right here. This is the actual side marker kit. Got everything you need right here, man. Copped it off of Amazon. Like I said, the link to the actual product and the actual heat gun will be in the description of the video, man. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm gonna set my camera up on the side and we go make it do what it do. All right, y'all. So look, I'm gonna give you an idea of how these things come packaged. So we have the passenger front right here, and we have the driver front right here, and everything is already pre-cut out for the most part. So all I'm gonna do, take this microfiber cloth that comes with it. Like I said, my car is already washed. The car is clean, so I'm just gonna lightly add a little bit of alcohol on this thing and just rub and just clean it up a little bit, man. Clean it up a little bit. I think we should be good to go. Alright, y'all, so that was pretty easy for the most part. I had to finesse it a little bit, but we got it on there. Now, one thing I do notice that you have to do is you want to go in the actual corner as much as you can, like lightly, to kind of push it in. But for the most part, the cut is actually perfect. It's actually perfect. So you know what, I'm actually going to leave it like that, because I think when I use the heat gun, it should pretty much lay everything out for the most part, and lay it all flush. So it's flush and it's even. It looks pretty good, man. So yeah, I'm loving it so far. No bubbles. Yep. Yeah, we good to go. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and blast it with that heat gun. Alright, y'all, so we got this one done. Took a little bit of finessing. Now, thank God this company, they send you extras, because the first one I kind of wanted to experiment a little bit and I kind of screwed it up, but now I actually think I got it down packed for the most part. As you can see, it's on there super neat. I'm just about to go back over it with the heat gun just to make sure it bonds. Alright, y'all, so look, I just want to kind of give you an idea of how everything is looking. So we got that side done. We got the back done. Now I'm not gonna be able to hit this one with the heat gun until I'm able to actually turn my car around, because the cord isn't long enough. But as you can see, it's on there pretty flush for the most part. Just got to go over it with the heat gun. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, man, we making it do what it do. So we about to go ahead and get the other side finished up. Alright, y'all, now we finally got the passenger side done. This one was a little bit challenging, but I got it. All I have to do is actually go over this side with the heat gun. Let y'all see. It's looking real good so far, man. Looking real good so far. So all we go do now is finish up these last slots in the back, and then we good to go. Alright, so the back was a little bit trickier just because the actual slots are a little bit smaller and harder to get into, but as you can see, they are perfectly on, and man, it looks good. So all I'm about to do is turn the car around, and I'm gonna let y'all get a look at it one more time. Blacked out. You can, the sun is beaming on this side, so you can still kind of see the red, but it looks good, and to the visual eye, it looks good to the visual eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car around, man. Heat up the back ones with the heat gun, and that's gonna be pretty much it for this modification, man. Alright, y'all, and that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this modification. Now, this mod was pretty simple. It was pretty easy for the most part, but you do have to be extremely careful with that tent tape. Now, the good thing about this tent tape is that they're actually pre-cut out for every single reflector. And the good thing I like about this company is they actually give you some extras. So if you do screw up, you have a few extras to play with. Now, keep keep in mind, if you want this particular modification, the link will be in the actual description. Only 20 bucks, man, you can't beat that. Completely changes the outside of the actual car. And once again, if you're new to the community, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Smash the thumbs up. Make sure you drop a comment and engage. We almost at 1,000 subscribers, man. So I'll be back next week with another video.